One sunny morning, our brave vehicle friends heard a call. A call for adventure, deep in the squishy, splish, muddy lands. Now, everyone, one tread at a time. Push, push. We're almost at the top. I think I can. Look at us. We made it. What a view from up here. A job well done, friends. We conquered the hill. Nothing can stop the Muddy Buddies. This mud is so soft and squishy. It's like dancing. Come on, everyone, a little mud dance. Woohoo! Best puddle party ever. All right, team, a little more to the left. Perfect. Hold it steady, Dozer. This log is heavy. I've got this end. Nice and secure.
As the day began to fade, our muddy adventurers looked back on their journey, proud of every splish and every
The race has begun. Dozer's running action is slow but powerful. Rusty is making the most noise, tires spraying. Come on, guys, keep moving. We're almost at the top. We made it! We actually finished! Come on, you guys, pull harder. You almost got it. Here we go! Try and keep up! Mud spray incoming! Mud spray! Whee!
We're struggling, but we'll catch up.
We're almost there! Keep it up, Rusty! We got this!
Choo-choo!
Go, go, go! Faster, everyone! Woohoo! Our flags fly! We made it across the border! We did it together, brother! We finished the journey! Pushing! We're almost at the top! We can do it, team! Let's go!
You got this!
I'm trying, but I keep sliding back. Push everyone! We can do this together! Nothing can stop me now! What a rush! Tight squeeze! Coming through! Pushing! We're almost there! Yeah! We did it! We're gonna make it! Full steam ahead! This is so much fun! Making a path! Watch your step. Careful now.
It was a sunny day, and the crew was ready for an adventure. But what they found ahead was the biggest mud puddle they had.
Problem for Jeepster. I've got four-wheel drive. Uh-oh. Looks like you need a little more momentum, little Jeepster.
Key is to keep moving, steady as she goes.
Amazing, Dozer. You're clearing the way for all of us. You, Rusty. Teamwork makes the dream work. Whew. Thanks, big guy. I owe you one. Choo! This is so exciting. We can do anything together. My bucket's not just for digging. I can sculpt a path, too. Happy to help, friends. Yes, that's how it's done. Thanks, Pumpkin. You're a real mud runner, Jeepster. Keep going. We are officially the Mud Squad.
A little dirt never hurt anyone. It means we worked hard.
We made it. We were Sodor's strongest, and now we're the muddiest and happiest. Teamwork wins every time. This looks like a big challenge, everyone. Are you ready for the muddy crossing? This looks like a big challenge, everyone. Are you ready for the muddy crossing?
Steady as she goes. We'll make a path for...
Dear, I'm stuck.
Don't worry, Train. We'll help you. Easy does it, little friend. Let's think. Hold on, team. Use your traction. Who? You're stronger than you think, Train. Thank you, Rusty. You're a true friend. Good job, Rusty. Teamwork makes the mud work.
We go under this little hill. It'll save us so much time. I love digging.
Clever thinking, Pumpkin. A great shortcut. Delivery for the engine that keeps on going. Be careful, Rusty. Perfect timing. Thanks, buddy.
Can I have some too? I'm almost out of zoom. You have such a happy sound when your drum spins, Mixer. And you always make me smile with your heart steam, Train.
It was a beautiful day for an adventure, but this was no ordinary road. This was the biggest, goopiest, squishiest mud field ever. Oh no! I'm stuck! The mud is too thick! Almost. Got it. Ugh. It's too sticky. I need more power. Look out, Rusty. Don't see the problem. The train's wheels are stuck. Pumpkin, try digging that mud out. You got it, Helicopter. Pumpkin power activate. Oop, scrape. A little more. Perfect. Now you have a solid surface, Train. Thank you, Pumpkin. That feels much better. Thank you, everyone! I couldn't have done it without my amazing friends! That's what friends are for! Look how much fun this mud is now that we're removing! Splish! Splash!
I love mud. It's the best.
Train, teamwork always wins the day. It sure does! Let's keep rolling! Ah! This mud is like super glue. It's not stopping me much. Oh dear, Rusty. Be careful. That mud... I thought my 4x4 could handle anything. I'm stuck. Hang on, little Jeepster. Don't spin your wheels so much, you're just digging yourself deeper.
It's okay, Jeepster. We'll get you out. Don't you worry, my dear friend.
Thanks, Train. Your hearts always make me feel better.
Right, team. Pumpkin, clear the worst of that sludge. Rusty, Jeepster, on the count of 3, we're all gonna pull and push together. Got it, Dozer. Clearing a path now. Straight ahead. I see a slightly firmer patch. Stick to the left. Good eye, Helicopter. Team, follow the high ground. I can't get any grip! You can do it, Train! Your little end could! did it! We got through the thickest part. That's what teamwork is all about. A perfect landing for a job well done. Wow, what an adventure! Thanks for the push, Dozer, and the clear out, Pumpkin.
And thank you for your spirit, Rusty and Helicopter.
Steady, little friend. The mud looks very thick right there, Dozer. Rope connected. Just needs a good, strong pull now.
Let me try to clear some of the muck from your wheels, Train. Every little scoop helps.
H.O. It's a heavy-duty mud trap. It's not enough. We need more push power. Finally free from the mud.
You did it, buddy!
Way to go! What a perfectly muddy day for an adventure. Whoosh! Here we go! Yeehaw! Look at that splash, Jeepster! This mud is amazing!
Hang on, Rusty.
Dashing through the rain, having fun again and again. What a lovely sunny rainy. Splash, we love the rain. Driving fast in the pouring rain.